Imagine the power of turning your passion into profit without ever showing your face or speaking a word. Welcome to the world of AI-powered history storytelling, where the possibilities are endless. So what is the secret of this channel? Do you think it's just because of their luck? No. It's not just luck. It's the art of storytelling with historical figures, powered by the magic of artificial intelligence. Look at this particular channel. This channel upload only 25 shorts and gain 261k subscriber. And as we can see, the channel is also monetized. If we check this channel on Social Blade, their estimated monthly income is more than $12,000 per month. But trust me, they are making more than this. So, if you're curious about how they've achieved this level of success, you're in the right place. Stay tuned with me until the last. Let's get started. The first step is creating a script. For this, you can ask Chat GPT to write a script for historical events for YouTube shorts and keep it under 30 minutes. Or if you don't like the script given by Chat GPT, go to YouTube, choose one of these videos and copy the video link which you like. Then after opening the website called DubDub, after that click on transcription and paste the link and hit transcribe. And after a few seconds, DubDub transcribe our script. Now copy the text and go back to the Chat GPT and ask to rewrite this script in simple and understanding language for my YouTube Shorts video. And here Chat GPT rewrite this script in a unique manner with a title. Alright, now the next thing we want for our video is a background image. For this, I will use Leonardo AI, in which you can get 150 tokens daily. Or if you want to generate images with better results, you can use MidJourne AI. Now to generate an image, ask Chat GPT. I want to generate images for my YouTube short video. So please write an image generation prompt for each scene and describe the war background in each scene. And here Chat GPT gives us prompt with full description. Give some your own personalized touch for the better results. Now open the Leonardo. Now to generate an image, click on image generation. Then go back to the Chat GPT and copy the image prompt and paste it here. Then choose number of images and choose 9:16 aspect ratio. And then click on generate. And after a few seconds, it will generate our image. Or if you don't like this, click regenerate or try to add some more details in prompt box. Sometimes it might take a few generations, but keep trying until you get the better results. Alright. Now the next step is generating voiceover. For this, I will use 11 labs. First of all, choose voiceover, then adjust the settings for the better results, and then choose the language. And then copy the story from Chat GPT and paste it into 11 labs, and hit generate.
Long ago, the Greeks tried for years to conquer the city of Troy. But their big breakthrough came when they built a giant wooden horse and left it outside the city walls.
Then download your audio track. Now, let's move to the next step, editing. For this, I will use CapCut desktop app. Now import audio and all the images which we generated from Leonardo AI. Then after importing all the image, add these images into first layer and audio into second layer. Now select the text option for auto captions. Adjust some settings like choose fonts, style, animation, etc. And go to the effect and try to add different effects in each image. There are so many options are there to choose. And don't forget to apply transition between two images. It keeps your viewers' attention and ensure that they remain engaged with your content. Then, when you're done with editing, click on export to export your video.
Long ago, the Greeks tried for years to conquer the city of Troy. But their big breakthrough came when they built a giant wooden horse and left it outside the city wall. The Trojans thought it was a gift and brought it inside. Sneaky Greek soldiers hidden inside the horse then came out at night, opened the city gates, and let the Greek army in. They easily conquered Troy. In another battle, the Persians were outnumbered by the Egyptians. So, the Persians did something smart. They put cats in the front lines because the Egyptians worshipped these animals as gods. The Egyptian soldiers didn't want to harm the sacred cats, giving the Persians the advantage they needed to win. Now let's talk about Julius Caesar. when he was besieging the city of Elysia and heard that Gallic reinforcements were on the way, he had a brilliant plan. He built 2 sets of strong defenses, one inside to keep the trapped Gallic army from escaping, and another outside to protect against the incoming reinforcements. He fought on both fronts at the same time and defeated them. Smart move.
And that's a wrap for today's video. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content, and don't forget to share your experiences and thought regarding this in the comment box. See you in the next one.